Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox for August. And on top we have our card, Old School Summertime. Oh cool. I remember those where you fold it and most of the people watching this video probably have no idea what this is. But if you're older like me, you might remember that. We also have a list of products. So let's take a look. I remember I got to pick an item this month of the choices they gave, and I chose this because it could have been Birchbox, maybe it was my Ipsy. I got this Perlice Watermelon. It was a face lotion, and it was so amazing. I've been trying to buy it with my Birchbox points, and it's been sold out, and it's just the best stuff ever. So when I saw they had the watermelon sheet mask, I was like, oh yes, please. Because I have sensitive skin. But the lotion is like the only kind of lotion I found that not only does it smell like watermelon, it smells amazing, but it doesn't clog my pores or cause acne. So excited to try this. Hopefully that will also be the same. So that's really cool to have. And then I also got Essential Face Wash from Comfort Zone, Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Could always use face wash as well. We have Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 Styling Treatment. I feel like I've gotten this before and I don't remember if I liked it or not. I know I've had shampoo from them before, so I'm not sure. I'll have to give that a try. Got tons of these before from Lock. This is Impress Me One and Done Shadow Stick. I don't really like shadow sticks. I don't know why, but that is a pretty color. It's a nice kind of copper. Well, it's kind of like a darker copper. I like that though. And then, oh, we got a couple in there. So Amika Bushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray. I feel like I always get one or two of those in the summertime, but I haven't tried that one, but Amika's really good. I like their stuff. The last item is a lip plumper, Hydra Lip Therapy by Model Co. And then it says just for subscribers, 100 extra points when you spend $50 or more with that code. So very cool. So I love Birchbox. I've been subscribed for years, so if you want to check out more of my unboxings, if you're on the fence about joining, I'll put a playlist below, and I also have a link in case you want to join. So thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.